Good morning, dear students. I will tell you how to draw human digestive system diagram. How you will draw human digestive system diagram. This is the diagram of human digestive system, and this is the mouth cavity. This is the mouth cavity. Mouth cavity. And this is the esophagus. And here it is salivary glands. Salivary glands. Salivary glands, and then salivary glands, this one. Then this is the esophagus, and then here this is the here it is this stomach. And this is the pancreas. It is pancreas, and then here it is gallbladder. This one is gallbladder, and this is the large intestine, This is the large intestine what I am drawing, and here it is small intestine. This one is small intestine, and this one is rectum, esophagus. As you can see that this is the esophagus, and here it is a stomach, and this one is the small intestine, small intestine, small intestine, and rectum, anus, rectum, anus, appendix, gallbladder, pancreas. So you can see in the diagram, this is the human digestive system diagram, and this is, you have to draw in copy, draw a billable diagram of human digestive system. This is the mouth cavity, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, rectum, and this is the anus part, and gallbladder, pancreas, stomach, and here so this is the diagram of human digestive system. You will take revision of this diagram. So you can see this is the human digestive system, diagram of human digestive system. So you can see that this is the diagram of human digestive system. You have to draw neat and clean, and it should be in proper way. You have to draw this diagram neat and clean, and you should draw in proper way, and this one you will take revision. And yesterday I told you one diagram, and name of the diagram is the rumination, stomach of ruminant, Yesterday I told you this diagram, stomach of ruminants. This also you will take a revision at home. This is the stomach of ruminants. So this diagram and a human digestive system diagram you will take revision at home.